In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to code on Wix in just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to start incorporating custom code into your Wix site, empowering you to create more personalized and interactive web experiences. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate your way to the Wix.com sign-up page. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one. However, if you're already a member of the Wix community, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the command center for all your Wix projects. Now, take a look at the list of sites you've created and choose the one you want to update with custom code. Simply click on the site and it will open in the Wix editor. Here, you have the freedom to personalize your site's design, content, and layout as needed. When you're set on the editor page, the real coding can begin. Wix makes it easy for users to add custom code. To open up these possibilities, start by clicking on Elements in the left-hand menu. This will bring up a range of options. From here, select Embed Code. You'll be presented with a few choices: Embed HTML, Embed a Site, or Custom Element. Each option offers a unique way to integrate your code directly into your site. For those looking for even more robust coding functionality, there's another option. Locate the Dev Mode button, typically found towards the bottom of your editor. Clicking on this will activate Velo by Wix, previously known as Corvid. This integrated development platform provides a wide array of tools to expand the coding capabilities of your website, making it ideal for larger, more intricate customizations. You can develop complex applications, connect your site to various APIs, and much more. Once you've added all the code snippets or custom elements you need, your last crucial step is to publish your changes. Be sure to take your time to review any new code to ensure it functions as intended and doesn't conflict with any existing elements. When all seems good, you'll find the Publish button at the top of the page. Clicking it will make all your recent updates live, making them visible to visitors of your site. Remember, the freedom to add code gives you the ability to elevate your site's functionality beyond the standard features. Whether it's enhancing your design, adding interactive components, or connecting to an external service, Wix provides a platform that's both accessible and powerful. And there you have it. Coding on Wix in just a few straightforward steps. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this empowers you to explore new dimensions with your Wix website.